You just mentioned Aave as a token that hedge funds are interested in. Are there any others that are top of mind for hedge funds right now?
The biggest trend of the last 6 to 12 months has been Hyperliquid, right? And this is another one where you can point to real revenues being generated by the protocol. I think people are wondering, right? Like, why now? Like, why is there migration from centralized exchanges to on-chain venues? And I think the reality is like that's sort of a long-term secular trend that was going to happen anyway. And now the user experience of it is good. There were kind of like a good set of circumstances around community adoption and tokenomics and sort of like the airdrop dynamics around that particular asset hype. And now there's like a real set of fundamental buyers, a lot of which are coming from traditional market participants, non-crypto market participants who are looking at crypto, trying to isolate the sort of sources of real value creation happening on chain, and they're landing on things like hype. That ecosystem is at a very early stage, right? We see a lot of other L1s that are more mature that have all of the normal kind of DeFi money Lego type protocols, lending, borrowing, spot trading, perps, and of course, like hype started more on the perp side of things, and now is more migrating down into the other sort of fundamental market features that need to be built around their L1. So there's so much activity there. I'd say other things that we're seeing a revival of are things like options on chain, right? That like you guys probably remember last cycle, there were a lot of option vault protocols, many of which sort of disappeared because when you have a deep bear market and sort of the early innings of a bull market, selling options is not really what you want to do. You really want to buy options. So now we're seeing a sort of a resurgence as we enter into this range bound market. People are looking for yield, more and more activity on the options side.